Hey guys, and welcome back to CUBEONOMY. In this video I'm going to be disassembling all my 3x3s and reassembling them. So I'm not sure if this Rubik's Cube will come apart. It's pretty hard to take, so I might not include this. So we'll see. So let me just disassemble them. So I have all disassembled over here. So as you can see, everything is disassembled. So I didn't disassemble the Rubik's brand because I'm not able to disassemble it. So let me just put it there. So we're going to be assembling all this. So I'll change to different angles. All of them are assembled, as you can see. So all of them are assembled. So I got a new idea for the next video actually, so I won't reveal it now, so you can see that in the next video. So that's it for this video. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notification. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.